CB9686S package demo video. Exquisite set storage box. Rich display of accessories. First, demonstrate the installation of the main control battery. Unscrew the screws on the battery compartment of the main control box. Open the battery compartment. Install the battery into the battery compartment. Install the battery in the correct direction. Then install the battery compartment into the main control box. Tighten the screws to complete the installation. Next, insert the motor into the main control box. Turn on the power switch of the main control box. The motor will start running normally. Use imagination, any combination, expand thinking and cultivate hands-on skills. A set of building blocks, 66 different forms and gameplay can be pieced together. Download and open the app. There are various different sets of apps available. Open the corresponding package to check at any time. Assembly instructions for all modular shapes that can be assembled in the set. CB9686S package demo video.